Welcome to the Journey of Self. This is your coach Mehnaz Amjad. In this series, we will be embarking on a journey together with an intention to help you take one step closer to your best self. This series is designed to help you overcome obstacles that are holding you back from living your best life. Let's get started. In our today's session, I'm going to help you learn a breathing practice which will help you achieve a calm mind. This is a practice which you could practice it anytime, anywhere. And this is something which you could use it at any given situation in your life. With our current stressful life, there are times when we may feel a bit overwhelmed, anxious, or simply stressed because of too many things going on in our life at the same time. Life never works in a linear way. We all have our share of ups and downs. And more often than not, we encounter situations in life that make us feel burdened with too much to bear, stressed out, overwhelming feelings, finding too little time, or simply finding things beyond our control. This practice actually will help you bring your mind to a calm state, because the more our brain stays in a calm state, the more we can have our brain reserves preserved, and it also helps you be more resilient towards the many challenges and stress that life throws at us at different point in time. So let's get started. Find yourself a comfortable position where you're not likely to be disturbed for the next 10 minutes. Close your eyes and scan your inner body. While you're scanning your inner body, check where do you find any kind of tension or stiffness. It could be your jaw, it could be your forehead, your back, your lower back, or your legs. Wherever you find tension in your body, try to relax it, soften it, and slowly, just to yourself, say, I am relaxed. I am relaxed. I am relaxed. Now, breathe slowly and deeply. One of the things that you could also do with this practice is lie down, or if you feel comfortable, you can be in a sitting posture. If you're a beginner, lying down may help. So, while lying down, as you have scanned your body and soften wherever you felt any tension in your body, and just told yourself, you are in a relaxed state. I am relaxed. Focus your breath and deeply inhale and exhale. Try to do it mostly with your belly. You can also place your hand on your stomach to feel the fall and rise of it as you are breathing. Inhale as if you are smelling a fragrant flower, and deeply exhale as if you're about to blow candles. Inhale deeply to the count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now exhale deeply to the count of 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's repeat it. Inhale deeply to the count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale deeply to the count of 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale deeply to the count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale deeply to the count of 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale deeply to the count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale deeply to the count of 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale deeply to the count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale deeply to the count of 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now relax. Pause and be here in this moment for a few seconds. When you're ready, now you can open your eyes. Thank you for your practice. The call to action for you is to just continue to practice it. With consistent practice, you will find profound changes in your stress levels that may decrease significantly with a calm mind. Just remember, there's no perfection to this. It's only practice. Thank you for your time, and I'll talk to you soon.